So when should you not be looking for trades in the market? So one of the main downfalls for many traders out there is that they want to trade every single day and they want to trade every single session. So the sooner you realize this, the better. You're going to miss moves, the market's going to move without you, and you need to be content with missing moves and missing trades, because you are going to miss them 90% of the time. So one of the ways to know when not to trade or when the market is low probability is when we have a huge expansion to the upside or either the downside, and you can see we have an expansion to the upside, and this is typically followed by a consolidation. So price will look to consolidate again, and what happens inside of this consolidation? We build up orders below the market, which is sell side liquidity, and we build up orders above the market, which is buy side liquidity. So then what do we do here? Because the market is at equilibrium of the range, we will take out the sell side and we'll take out the buy side, and then the market will offer its real move. And this is where you can look to trade, and you can look to enter off a breaker or a fair value gap and target the sell side liquidity, which was made inside of this range. So small ranges are always followed by a large range, and large ranges are always followed by a small range. So I hope you guys found this short video useful. If you want to see any more videos like this, make sure to leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.